I'm Deon from Archiego Campers, and this is our beautiful van, Denali. So Denali is actually for sale. She is a beautiful camper van that we decided to build for a family who wanted to get away on adventures, but still feel like they were at home. So the layout we went for was something that was ready for everyone. As soon as you got into the van, you had everything. You didn't have to build anything. You didn't have to set anything up. That's what we wanted to bring to America, because a style like this just wasn't around. So one of the unique features here is this is a bench seat that seats an additional 2 people. Now we take a little wander back here through the alleyway, and you've got the live oak kitchen area, and we've got the sink, the hob, and then just through here is the shower too. And to the back here we have the big bed, so it sleeps 2, long, so everyone can get in. But let's start at the front. So starting at the front of the van, we have the factory captain seats here. And I know San Diego is beautiful, but there is bad weather, so it creates a little space for everyone to hang out when the weather's bad. So the van comes with loads of storage. Now first storage here is the overhead storage. This is where we store the ladder to get you up to the pop top. So this is the collapsible ladder. When you're ready for bed, we just pop it up, put it into place, and off we go. And this is possibly my favorite place in the van. You can open this pop top up all the way and have a beautiful view out to everything. But it's for kids and adults. So here we are back at the seating area. It's double buckled, so 2 people can sit here. One of the important features of our van was we wanted to make sure safety was a key priority, and facing forward is always the best way. We have the beautiful English oak dining table that extends all the way around. You just pull this out here and it extends to the front. So the van was designed with loads of storage. We've got the one up there, and then you've got access to storage under here from the top and access here from the side. And here on the dining area we have wireless connection for your phone. You can charge it right there, plugs, lights, and the window also open. Part of the build is creating the space, and we didn't want the galley to kind of protrude all the way out, so we created the pop top workbench so we have more space to cook and do your thing here right next to the hob. The van is designed with the propane. So the hob is propane with an underslung tank so that safety is always in mind. There's no propane in the van. So here we have our uniquely designed corner kitchen with the English oak again, with plenty of storage all the way throughout. And again, it kind of separates it from the bed area, but still close to the dining area and plenty of space to pass for young people to get around.
I'm Nate Murphy, author of the Van Conversion Guide, and I just want to let you know that I'm running a free online training which will teach you how to make van life free or profitable. I will show you how to choose a van and build it out and avoid the one big mistake that most people make. I will show you how I made van life completely free and a bunch of other stuff that people don't really talk about. If you'd like to join, click the link here or in the description and I'll see you there.
So as soon as you enter the camper van, you've got the lights right here. So no searching for light switches. And then 4 drawers, lots of space, one with a hidden little drawer in here, hide all the chocolate. We went with these lovely bronze knobs, no catching on anything, they're really simple and push pull. Loads of storage space in here with some shelves, and then a big one here, locked. So we have the lovely black faucet here, a deep sink so we can have lots of dishwashers and tidying up. Underneath we have 90 litres of water with 70 grey water tank. We do have 4 more shelves over here open so you can put your towels and things like that in there. We know weight is a big thing when travelling in a camper van, so all our wood might look heavy, but we've been really considerate, and Barumbo have been great on making sure that everything in the van is as light as it can be. And one of the great things about a camper van are these really cool unique lights. They're kind of plumbing, custom made. And right around from the faucet is our shower area, separating the bed area too. It's wonderful. Who would have known you could have a nice big shower in a camper van? That's what we have right here. You've got the cassette toilet, the height right underneath, and a lovely English oak shower panel again, a beautiful shower and a sink area as well. And the shower, of course, is hot water too. So here we are in the shower, a beautiful big headset here, and a little sink here for when you're cleaning your teeth instead of doing it in the kitchen. But in the walkway here we have more storage, lots of storage underneath. It goes further back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open shelves again. The heating system right here, and the big control panel down there. This is what many people miss. The black kind of hides away, but it is the fridge right there. Nice and big, And we got the freezer there, just put all your ice and have some nice ice for some cocktail. Over in the main sleeping area, we have a lot going on. We've got 2 cabinets on this side. We only wanted 2, so it was still created lots of space within the sleeping area. You've got the kind of charging areas, both sides, so everyone can charge. With the pods on either side, so it's a 6-foot bed. We added the window at the bottom, so we could still get some air and some fresh air, and the mosquito screen on as well. With the pods, there's lighting on the inside, so we can kind of sleep at night, still read. We've got the AC system here, 12-volt AC system. It is a big area, so there's plenty of space to still sit up, lounge around. In the corner just over here, we have the carbon monoxide. Safety is key. So we've got the English oak throughout. It's still the theme kind of stays around. You've got the big bed, which you can see 6 foot, so everyone is nice and cozy with a beautiful view outside. Creating a big garage area was another priority. It means you can throw the bikes in, the paddleboard in, camping stuff. And access to the electrics is nice and simple too, with a sliding little door. With the electrical panel right here, it's all very tidy. I love the look of it. Full Victron with 320 lithium battery. And on the top of the pop top, we have 420 of solar watt. Inside here, we have the water system, the heater system. We've got Truma kit here, the water and heating system. Thank you for joining us on this van tour of Denali. We are based in San Diego and she is for sale. So if you're interested, I think the link is going to be below. And we do have more vans in the build process right now. So if you're interested in future builds, check us out. Thanks, guys.
If you didn't notice, I am offering a free online training which will help teach you how to make van life free or profitable. In this video, I will show you exactly how to buy a van, how to fit it out in a profitable way, and teach you how to avoid the mistakes that most people make, and all the other stuff that almost nobody else talks about. If you are thinking about converting a van or living van life, it'll be one of the most valuable things you will ever watch. Just click the link, register for free, and I'll see you there. Another great place to start is to get the van conversion guide. It's packed with useful information and includes 20 video lessons to help you convert a van. Check our website, all the information is there.